we're going to do class since we have already finished the reading section yesterday. So today we're going to talk about, do you have decide? Is it wild animals or the article that you've sent me or about the sea?
Article I send you, Miss.
Okay, about the article. Okay, it's quite hard because it's about politics, right? But yeah, we can do it. First thing first, I want to correct you. It's not let's talking, but let's talk about something. Not let's talking,
Oh,
but let's talk.
yeah. Let's talk.
Mhm. Ini bukan is ya, tapi dia tuh sebenarnya gini, let us talk.
Oh gitu.
Bukan to be, tapi kalau ngomong ya singkat, let's talk about the article. Okay, let's talk. The article over here is about the slogan that many people use online, right? From the river to the sea, for Palestinian, for showing the support to Palestinian. Okay, Kak Titi, what do you know about this slogan?
From the
When the
from the
first time?
for the river to the sea maksudnya for Palestine freedom kan, Miss?
Yes. When the first time that you heard, when you heard this slogan?
Oh, from Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean River to Sea, apa namanya? Itu kan slogan viral banget, Miss.
Okay. Since it's like a speaking class, so let's force ourselves to talk in English. No problem,
Okay.
Titi. Okay. When the first time you heard about this slogan?
About Palestinian freedom. So from the Jordan River to the Mediterranean Sea.
Okay. And then my question is, when the first time you heard this slogan? When? Artinya apa? When the first time you heard
Kapan?
about
Oh
this
yeah.
slogan? Yes.
Maybe 2 months ago.
2 months ago. Where is it?
Internet, of course, in
Okay.
Instagram.
Okay,
Kan.
you heard it 2 months ago. Okay. Don't forget to put attention on the question tag ya, untuk kalau pertanyaannya. Kalau when, berarti yang kita harus jawab waktu. Harus dijawab. Jelas yang lain boleh, tapi waktunya harus terjawab. And then, where, benar, tempat. Kayak on the internet, on the newspaper. Okay, great. Okay, so, and then how, what's your opinion about the people that use this slogan?
Wait. Untuk apa ya, menyuarakan apa, Miss? Jadi untuk mendukung, supporting
Bisa support.
to support Palestinian people.
Okay, support Palestinian people. And do you know that they also have the special emoji for them? Do you know what I mean? What is it? What's the emoji? Yeah, watermelon. Do you know why they choose that emoji?
Because apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya? Because if we use the Palestinian flag, itu di apa namanya, take down by Instagram. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya, Miss?
Berarti pasif ya. Gimana? Di take down atau dilarang? Di
Dilarang.
pasif? Pasif apa pasif?
Gimana ya? Sebentar.
Pasif it will to be plus verb 3.
Hmm,
It will be taken down atau it will be banned from social media.
it will be
Ya.
taken. Oh, banned. Oh ya, banned from social media. So we use apa? Watermelon icon
You can say so we use watermelon instead. Jadi kami
instead.
ya instead di belakangnya untuk menekankan kalau pilihan itu beda. We choose watermelon instead.
Oh,
Because
gitu.
what? Why is watermelon? Why they not use like apple maybe or grape? Another food, another fruits.
No, only watermelon can apa ya? Bisa menggantikan warna bendera. Apa Mas?
Okay,
Bisa
because
menggantikan
it
because
bisa
is
describe
this
the color
oh yeah, because it's described to color, to flag color.
because ya it ya bukan
It is
it's
it
bukan
oh
it
it
is karena habis itu kan verb.
oh gitu.
It did describe
It
describes the
the flag.
Palestinian flag
Palestinian
color.
flag color.
Terus bisa dijelaskan juga kalau speaking kan berarti kita harus elaborasi ya, harus menjelaskan secara runtut secara banyak gitu ngomongnya. Bisa
Mm-hmm.
because it describes the Palestinian flag color. They have red and then green, black, all of them in one emoji, which is what color. Bisa gitu.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, have you read about this article?
Yes.
Okay, what's your opinion about this? Do you find a new information that you haven't really known before?
Pendapat seseorang itu apa ya? Sebentar. Opinion. It's just about opinion. Opinion from the writers.
From the writers? What they said?
He described about the slogan. He described about the slogan
Then
and about bombing in Gaza and about Mirsky. Jadi ada seseorang yang mengemukakan pendapat dalam tulisan dalam artikel.
Okay. How is it? Someone said, misalnya kayak gitu aja. Someone said in the
gitu.
article, nggak harus yang kayak persis banget gitu. Pakai kayak pengen kita tahu nggak apa. Someone said in the article.
Someone said in the article that those who can the slogan are supporters of Hamas.
Oh, okay. Are the supporter. And then how is it going?
The point is supporting for Palestinian people. So
This article said so, or the article can debunk it. Debunk tuh kayak apa mengoreksi gitu. Enggak, yang opini salah, harusnya ini. Tuh.
no, not correction.
So,
So about he called about protester or
mhm,
demonstrator in
mhm.
around the world, di beberapa negara around the world or around the country.
Maksudnya gimana? Itu satu tempat atau beda-beda?
Jadi gini, dia tuh berbicara tentang para demonstran yang berdemo untuk
Mm-mm,
support Palestina di
mm-mm,
beberapa negara yang mengemukakan slogan
mm-mm,
Palestina
okay.
from the river itu.
Yeah, you can say it all around the world. The protester
Around the
who
world,
used that slogan from all around the world.
from all around the world.
Okay. Honestly, this kind of article is quite hard to talk about in when you still in like a beginner intermediate level because like the vocabularies and also how we can um talk about our opinion have to be some kind of like intermediate, high intermediate or advanced to talk about this kind of article. So maybe we can change into the easier one, simple one, maybe,
Yes,
or it's about food or about animal or some kind of like the daily life situation that we
okay,
can talk because the first thing is about the politic and they have like many technical word, okay, like British Parliament, when Labour Party, something like. I think
okay, Miss.
it will make us like for the beginner level learner feel so
Okay,
um
difficult ya.
yeah, feel so confused and also overwhelmed
Okay,
because it's not yet our level. Okay, so now
okay,
we will change it to the more the simpler one. What do you prefer? Maybe about food or about the animal that you like?
about cat maybe.
Okay, let's see if we have any news. What is it? Cat. Okay, let's just talk about the general knowledge about cat. Do you know the rumor said that
Hmm,
is the most, the most nasty, silly cat ever?
orange cat.
Mm-hmm. Do you know that orange cat is the most silly cat,
Silicat,
paling
what
nakal
silicat,
gitu,
Miss?
yang paling nakal,
Oh yes,
yang
orange,
paling
orange
iseng.
cat.
Mhm.
Kucing oranye itu ya.
Do
Eh,
you know?
cat kan semua, maybe everyone is love the cat.
Everyone loves the cat,
Hmm, terutama children.
especially.
Oh, especially children.
Mhm.
Apa apa ya? Karena bulunya yang
Because
lembut. Because
apa?
bulu
Bulunya yang lembut. Bulu is fur. Fur.
Fur. Oh, fur. Fur.
Fur bacanya fur. Fur.
Fur. Fur. So fur.
It has a soft
It has a soft fur. Fur. It
fur.
has a soft fur. 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 It has a soft fur. Apalagi kalau dielus-elus, apa itu, Mi?
It has a soft fur for us to pet.
For apa?
Ditepuk-tepuk kecil gitu. Sebenarnya elus-elus tuh juga bisa diartikan pet to pet. To pet
Pet
tuh
to pet.
artinya pet tuh selain artinya apa? Hewan peliharaan, pet tuh artinya mengelus.
Oh,
Kita cari verbnya. To stroke in a gentle or loving manner. Untuk mengelus dengan lembut dan penuh kasih sayang. Pet, to
oh
pet.
ya. To pet.
Wait, where is it? Wait. It has soft fur for us to pet.
Yes, it has soft fur to us to pet.
For us.
For us to pet.
Okay. And then, do you like cat, or do you have any pet in your home?
My little daughter. No daughter. Adikku perempuan apa, Miss?
My little sister.
Oh yeah, my little sister love cat. Really love cat.
Okay. So how many cats your sister has?
Maybe I have 7, maybe 7. So, karena because sudah turun generation to generation.
Maybe.
Karena sudah turun dari generasi ke generasi. Jadi awalnya itu apa ya? Nah.
On the first time.
Oh yeah. First time we have one cat. Just one cat.
How many?
Just first time we have one female cat.
Oh, one female cat. Okay.
Yes. The color is white. She's beautiful.
Okay.
So and then si apa? Kawin sama apa kucing yang lain tuh apa, Miss?
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Jadi pushnya itu apa? Sudah hamil dari kucing yang lain ya, melahirkan. Apa itu?
Melahirkan is give birth. So, to give birth to melahirkan.
Oh ya, give birth. This cat give birth
to 4 kitten.
To 3 kitten.
Oh, 3 kitten.
To 3 kitten. Then the kitten was apa namanya? Beranjak dewasa.
Kitten.
The kitten was grow up.
Okay, the kitten was growing up.
Oh, was growing up. The kitten was growing up and then give birth again. punya
Gave
anak lagi. Give birth
kan
again.
kan past time jadi gave ya.
Oh, gave.
Kan past time ya.
Mhm. And then gave birth again until 5 generation maybe. Kayak sampai
Oke. Mhm.
5 generation. So the first cat now was die.
Oh,
Was
the
die.
first cat
Mm,
was dead.
was dead.
Was dead.
Because already old.
Because of the age, bisa. Karena
Because
emang
of
udah
the
umur.
age.
Okay. Oh, actually, I have the similar story,
Mhm.
but like the last generation, no, it's not the last generation. They are not maternally related. Maternally related tuh ada hubungan ibu. Maternal tuh hubungan ibu.
Mhm.
Hubungan keluarga karena ibu.
Maternal.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
like I have the first cat. I brought the first cat home from my boarding school,
Mhm.
and she like gave birth to kitten, and then the kitten is gave birth to another kitten, and it's happening for like maybe it's around 4 generation, and then the last generation was dead because of the poison, because it was poisoned.
Potion? What is potion, Miss?
Okay, poison itu adalah racun. It was poisoned.
Oh yes.
It was poison itu diracun.
Oh gitu.
And the last generation, like the last one, the strongest age, like 5 years, and then
Wow.
she just died out of nowhere because of the poison. And fortunately, she just gave birth to a kitten, like sometime before she died, and finally I took care of that kitten. It's a male cat. He is very young that time when his mother was passed away, and I took care of him just like maybe the next 3 or 4 months, and then do you know what happened? He also died because of the poison. He was poisoned by, I don't know, something happened outside my home, and yeah, he died. The mother of the cat died
Yes.
because the same time, because of the same thing. Then it's like the end of the my cat generation. Now I have another pet, but it's not maternally related.
You buy a new cat or you
No,
bring a new
I
cat, Miss?
adopt it from my friend's house
Oh.
because someone like dumped the baby
Mhm.
kitten on her home, and she can like she can't pet any cat because she already had like 4 cats in her home, so I take it.
Oh. This poison is accidentally or
Yeah, I'm not sure, but like many cat in my neighborhood
oh
around
gitu.
my home is like dead mysteriously. So now I I don't let my cat go outside in the nighttime, but in the daylight, like now, like just now,
Hmm.
it comes to the evening, I have to call them, and yeah, they have to stay in the home because many of the poisoning case happened in the night. So I'm not sure either it accidentally, like maybe the person really put the poison there, or they eat some rats or mouse, but I'm not sure because the last time, the last kitten who died is actually very small. I mean, like she didn't really know what the mouse is. She just eat whatever I feed her. So I'm not sure if it's come from rats or moths. I think it's come from like the person who really just poisoned them. Maybe maybe the person put food, poison it on the food or something. I'm not sure. So I don't want to take a risk again, and I keep my cats indoor in the nighttime.
Hmm, to protect
Mm-hmm.
this cat, ya, Miss.
Yeah, to protect them.
What is the cat's name, Miss?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the cat's name? You
Oh, the cat that I have now, like I have two cats. All of them,
hmm?
both of them are male, and their name is Ming and Hyun. Ming and Hyun.
Oh,
So yeah, they have just one syllables name to make it easier to call. They are, I think, 8 years old. 8 months years old now. 8 month old. 8 month old. It's not yet 1 years. So they're still kitten basically. But they're not because they're so big now.
yes, so big now. Eh, kalau yang sekarang
Yeah,
apa ya
it's
bahasa
like
Inggrisnya sebenarnya?
uh uh now like I've said that the cat that I pet now, that I keep now.
Oh, oh ya, now. Hmm,
Saya tanya kayak how about your pet now?
how
Now.
what's your pet now? Oh, gitu.
Dia nggak harus kayak kemarin udah lihat belum ya video yang dikirim yang tentang tips how to speak
Oh iya,
naturally speaking
belum,
English. Nah,
belum,
itu
Miss.
bagus Kak. Titik karena itu cuman singkat kayak cuma 10 menitan. Itu
Oke.
bagus karena oh ternyata bisa kayak gitu cara latihannya. Jadi itu mengajarkan bahwa kalau kita ngobrol pakai bahasa asing, bukan bahasa ibu ya, itu nanti kita
Hmm.
tuh
Halo, gimana, Miss?
sekarang that now now
Gimana, Miss? Gimana?
kalau
Maaf tadi
kita ngomong
terputus. Hmm.
oke wait kalau kita ngomong bahasa asing selain bahasa ibu
Hmm.
itu kita tuh
Hmm.
tend to translate everything. Jadi kayak kita mengartikan di kepala gitu.
Oh, gitu.
Kayak misalnya yang mana nanti kan kita bingung karena kita ngertiin yang mana tuh gimana ya? Yang tuh apa di Inggris? Yang sekarang tuh apa? Gitu kan jadi kayak bingung. Padahal sebenarnya simple aja kayak tinggal nanya how about the cats now atau gimana gitu. Yang beda banget sama yang kita susun gitu loh di kepala. Karena kita nyusunnya dari bahasa Indonesia terus ditranslate ke
Hmm.
Inggris. Nah
Hmm.
di video itu dia jelasin kalau sebenarnya nggak perlu translate kayak gitu karena itu akan bikin lama ngomongnya.
Ya
Dan
kan
kita
kadang bingung apa ya gitu.
English. Gimana cara berpikir bahasa Inggris, bukan mentranslate ke Inggris
Oh,
gitu.
gitu.
Mm-mm. Tadi mau nanya apa Kak Titi?
Apa ya? Nggak lupa.
It's like a great tips. Jadi ternyata bisa kayak gitu cara belajarnya. Because like you have adequate vocabularies. Kak itu udah punya vocabulary yang cukup. Kemarin pas baca juga cepat, pace-nya teratur, terus pronunciation-nya oke. Berarti sebenarnya udah cukup banyak vocabulary yang ditahu.
Iya, Miss.
Tinggal gimana kita.
Aslinya tuh
Mm-mm,
cukup. Misalkan tadi kan Miss Vira ngomong about cat tuh aku paham. Tapi kalau
mm-mm.
mau jawab itu kayak nggak bisa ngomong ini bener nggak kayak gimana kayak gitu.
Oke, nah itu makanya perlu latihan. Sebenarnya Grammarly, secara grammatically itu cuman yang sering dipakai ya, benar sering dipakai cuman present, past, sama paling continuous, present continuous. Kalau mau
Oh
menjelaskan
itu.
sesuatu yang lebih itu lagi dilakukan atau apa. Yang lainnya udah gitu, nggak akan sekompleks itu juga kalau misalnya ngomong.
Oh gitu.
Nanti kayak akan kebawa sendiri pas sering ngomong, akhirnya oh ekspresinya mereka sering pakainya yang ini. Kan pak kita tahu, oh ternyata itu tuh perfect. Nah itu tuh ini gitu. Kita tahu, yang penting kita
Oh
tahu
gitu.
basic-basicnya aja. Nggak usah kayak dipikir terlalu panjang. Tapi basicnya adalah kalau kita mau ngomong verb, jangan tambahin to be. I go,
Oh gitu.
bukan I am going. Bukan I am go ya. Kayak masih sering kayak it is describing it, bukan
Heeh,
it is
heeh.
described. Nah ini nggak bisa karena kok ada isnya. Karena ini mungkin is itu keluar karena kita mau mengulur waktu kayak mengulur waktu mikir kalimat selanjutnya,
Iya,
kata selanjutnya.
apa ya? Heeh, kayak gitu.
Nah, itu kayak harus dipikirkan dulu kita mau ngomong apa.
Iya.
Jadi, betulin kayak gitu sendiri, oke. Lama-lama ntar melatih, oh, berarti besok kalau mau ngomong ini nggak usah pakai is. Kecuali kalau mau ngomong kata sifat, pasti harus pakai is. This is wonderful. This is beautiful.
Iya.
This is great. Nah, ini baru pakai.
Apalagi kalau
Gitu.
pemakaian the gitu kan kayak ini ada the-nya nggak sih kayak gitu.
Oh, kalau speaking malah nggak usah terlalu ini sih. Maksudnya kayak the itu dipakai ketika spesifik. Misalnya kita ngomongin cat. Tadi kan dari ngomongin cat. You know that I have uh, pet at home, and then if you want to ask something, pakai the. Karena kita udah ngomongin halnya. Kita udah ngomongin topik tertentu. The cat. And then you can ask, how about the cats now? Gimana kucing-kucing itu sekarang? Nah, kucing-kucing itu spesifik ke arah the cat that I told you. Yang tak
Oh gitu.
ceritakan di awal.
Oh
Udah
gitu.
gitu aja kayak dia itu lebih lebih em, apa namanya spesifik. Kalau misalnya kita ngomongin general kayak tadi kita ngomongin artikel tentang ini. Orange cats are usually related to related to the dumb cat. Nah itu nggak usah pakai the karena ini general cats, orange cats. Kita nggak tahu orange cat yang mana, tapi secara general. Jadi kalau
Oh
general
gitu.
tuh nggak usah pakai the, dia langsung ke plural aja kayak gini.
Oh gitu.
Tapi kalau misalnya kita konsultasi sama orang kan pasti ngomongin sesuatu yang pasti kan, sesuatu yang kayak udah dibahas sebelumnya. Nah itu pakai the, it's okay. Karena
Oh
biasanya
gitu.
kalau artikel-artikel yang kayak gini itu malah nggak pakai the karena ini general. Kita bisa lihat di sini. Orange cat, bla 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 bla. Dia dipakai nggak pakai the cat karena ya emang general dia ngomonginnya. Kan ngomongin cat tentu. Nah kalau ini contohnya ini kenapa pakai the idea? Karena udah dijelasin di sini. Maksudnya adalah ide yang ini loh yang di atas yang dijabarkan. Spesifik.
Oke.
Ya gitu aja. Oke. Okay, so do you have any plan to pet some cats in the future?
Hmm, maybe my little sister, miss.
Oh,
I'm too
your little
lazy to.
sister?
Mm-mm. Karena abuse itu my son, so I think I lazy to bersih-bersih, clean up the apa namanya kandangnya.
Clean up the cage, clean up the potty, right?
Mm-mm, mm-mm. Now
Okay.
if I have pet, I
Mhm.
must cleaner kan.
You must
Lebih
be, yeah, you must be cleaner. Harus lebih bersih.
Karena
Oke.
kan kalau nggak
Hmm?
bersih nanti jadi apa ya? Bau tuh apa ya?
Smell. Smelly. My home will
Smelly,
be smelly.
smelly ya.
Oke, so lazy. Lazy ini verb atau kata sifat atau adjective.
Sifat nggak sih, Miss?
Ya, berarti ngomongnya gimana? Aku males.
I'm too lazy.
Ya, I'm ya. I lazy.
I'm lazy.
I'm too lazy. Harusnya I'm. Karena
I'm
jadi
lazy.
pakai I'm lazy. Jadi pakai pakai ini ya. Pakai apa?
To be.
Pakai to be. Jangan lupa. Kalau sifat harus pakai to be. Jangan I lazy. I lazy is not. Ini basicnya ini sih. Ini banyak yang banyak orang yang baru belajar ngomong terus salah itu pasti bagian ini. Dan ini kalau lebih
Oke.
juga jadi bingung. Karena kan basicnya kita belajar dan benar gitu belajar. Jadi
Oke.
pasti juga coba diperhatikan. Kalau verb udah langsung it describes, it goes, it happens. Kalau dia selain verb berarti langsung pakai to be.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, and then do your sister cat like follow your sister routines? I mean like maybe my mother is also have pet. My parents has one orange cat and the cat is really followed my parents' routine. So let's say they go to bed at 8. My cats also go to bed at that time. And then they woke up early in the morning. My cat is also woke up that time. So like the routine my cat has is follow my parents. How about your sister's cat? Do they have
Yes.
any special routines?
Like this. Always follow my little sister. Bahkan even
Mm-mm.
i-
Even?
she eat she eat this cat
Mm-mm.
waiting, nggak serakah apa ya,
Mm. When she
nggak
eats,
when she eat when she eat the cat nggak merebut tuh apa ya,
the cats don't take, bisa.
don't take the cat don't take the food, don't
Oh,
take her food.
mm-mm. Okay. And
and
then,
and then apa ya, the cat is so uh, jadi apa, nggak celutak tuh apa ya, Miss?
gimana?
Nggak celutak tuh apa, Miss? Celutak, Miss tak
Apa
Miss
itu?
Vira tahu celutak? Kayak
I don't
kayak
know.
kayak nyuri nyuri nyuri, nggak nyuri lauk, nggak nyuri ikan sih.
Oh ya udah, pakai nyari aja still.
Still.
Yeah, they don't steal.
They
They
don't
don't
steal.
steal the food. So they
They
don't steal
don't
the food on the
on the
on
table.
the yeah the dining table. So on the table.
They don't steal the food on the dining table.
Mm-mm. Okay. So what kind of accident or big case that they did in the past that make your sister very angry?
Usually, if the kitten was grow up,
Mm-hmm.
apalagi if the kitten smell when
Mm-hmm.
when uh, when he grow up, apa ya namanya, kayak
Mm-hmm.
tiba-tiba ngilang gitu loh. Ngilang tuh apa ya sih? Jadi dia kucingnya itu ikut ikut kucing cewek punya orang. Jadi ketika dia sudah dewasa, kucingnya itu pasti kalau kucing cowok itu pasti hilang karena ikut kucing cewek apa itu mesti kecantol sama kucing-kucing yang ada di jalan.
I see. So usually
So usually
when it comes to male cat, kan kucing hitamnya dewasa ya. To grown up male cat, it will be gone from home to follow the female cat.
to follow the female.
They will be gone.
So usually my little sister angry. Bahkan sampai until cry kan karena dia sudah sayang, she love so much. Jadi kalau dicari-cari nggak ada apa, dicari-cari tuh si hunting, si hunt this cat, but nggak ada tuh apa ya, but nothing, bener nggak Miss?
And then what? Sorry, I can't hear you.
Sampai mana tadi? So usually my little sister have angry, bahkan sampai nangis until cry. If they hunt this cat, nothing.
Oh yeah, because she loved the cat so much.
Yes,
Right.
because she loved the cat so much.
And how about this cat when they gone when they've gone from the home, do they return again? Do they go home again?
Sometimes ada yang seperti itu, apa ya? Sometimes
It can be, yeah, sometimes bisa.
He back to home. He back to home sometime. But ada yang hilang tanpa jejak. Apa itu? Jadi ya udah hilang aja gitu.
Some return to the home, but some of them just lost without a trace. Just lost home. Some of them return.
Some of them return to home.
But some just and never come back.
Oh yeah, never come back.
But some just lost and never come back. Right. Okay, but since like your sister have many cats, so yeah, it's a big deal. It's still sad, but yeah, at the end of the day, she still have many cats, right? And I think it's natural. It's natural for a cat to get out from our home when he feel like this place is overpopulated. This place is overpopulated. Ketika overpopulasi, cat have the sense to live.
Jadi memang apa ya? Kalau di rumah now, jadi kalau di rumah itu just 3 until 5 cats. Nanti kalau misalkan ada more cat, nggak pernah lebih dari itu. Jadi kalau ada 6 kucing pasti nanti cuma lewat atau cuma mampir gitu. Nanti pasti pergi entah kemana nggak tahu. Jadi sekarang itu kan
right now
right now. Oh yeah, right now. Right now, maybe 5 months ago,
Mm-hmm.
the kitten gave birth to 3 kittens, and
Okay.
now they was grow up. But the kitten, jadi this kitten gave birth again. Yang
Mm-hmm.
kakaknya itu sudah nggak ada, sudah keluar.
Yeah, I
This
got it. Yeah, so that's what I try to say. I try to say that when the cats sense something, sense itu kayak merasakan, sense something that the home is overpopulated, actually, udah terlalu banyak populasinya, they outside stable.
oh gitu.
That's why it just maybe like in your
Maybe uncomfortable ya, Miss.
it more than 5 cats, they will like live by themselves. So it's okay, it's natural because it's overpopulated. Okay. Yeah, do you have any question, Kak Titi?
Nothing sih.
Okay, or maybe
Maybe
like the maybe.
maybe aku harus memperbanyak vocabulary juga.
Okay, but actually like your vocab is adequate, tapi masalahnya adalah kita cara pikirnya masih translate. Jadi
Iya.
bingung mau pakai yang mana.
Mm-mm,
Sebenarnya kita
mm-mm.
punya vocab pengganti, tapi ya itu nggak pernah kayak jarang dilatih, jadi kayak nggak keluar di akhirnya. Itu
Oh gitu.
seeing from your reading and also listening skill, it's actually pretty good. Kalau misalnya Kak Titi ikut TOEFL, let's say, I bet you can get maybe like in the minimum 450. Minimal banget
Oh
tuh
gitu.
450 pasti dapat, Kak. Iya, untuk skill reading dan listening yang kayak gitu. Tapi
Tapi
TOEFL
speakingnya
itu
kan
kan
nggak dapet.
kalau TOEFL ITB cuman reading sama writing.
Oh
Writingnya
gitu.
juga bukan nulis tapi kayak cuman multiple choice aja milih gitu.
Oh gitu.
Nah, itu yang diuji cuman passive ability, pasif, mendengar dan membaca.
Oh
Itu
gitu.
kan pasif ya.
Mm-mm.
Kalau IELTS baru ada aktifnya, yaitu menulis dan speaking. Gitu. Kalau
Oh
misalnya
gitu.
udah bagus pasifnya, berarti itu harus diperhatikan kekuatan. Tinggal gimana kita memaksa otak kita buat think in English, berpikir secara Inggris. Karena belajar bahasa itu adalah membiasakan otak, memanipulasi otak. Biar dia mikir kayak, oh, aku tuh ternyata harus ngomong Inggris. Oke, berarti sekarang ngomong Inggris. You
Oh
have
gitu
to be
ya.
strict on yourself. Ya, coba.
Oke, Miss.
I I also learning a new language now, so I um I find many difficulties of speaking that language. So I try to look up for the tips, and this kind of tips is actually
Oke.
for me. Jadi belajar bahasa apapun, tips ini tuh bisa dilakukan gitu. And it's pretty good. Oke, Oke, nanti
Oke.
coba dicek aja videonya Kak Titi, and then we will meet again. We'll meet
Mm-mm.
again. Let me check. At 8 and 9 a.m. Okay, do you have any requested materials? Mau request material sama materi mungkin? Kak Titik,
Yes.
mungkin ada request? Ada request materi? untuk pertemuan besok, pertemuan
Apa ya?
depan? Mm-mm.
I don't know. I'm confused.
Okay, maybe we'll stick to the book again. Okay, kita balik ke buku aja. And then I hope you have watched that video
Okay.
and maybe do some tips out of it. Jadi mungkin sekarang dilihat terus nanti kita kan berteman masih minggu depan, semoga lihat dan dilakukan beberapa tipsnya. If you find any difficulties, we can discuss about it later. Okay, maybe I can give you a suggestion. Ya, nanti
Okay,
mungkin bisa
Miss.
dikasih masukan. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Titi. I will wrap up the class here and see you on the next weekend. In the next weekend,
Okay,
bye.
Miss. Bye.
Yeah, have a
Thank you,
great
Miss.
day.
Yes.